I'm Mushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support. So today will be a subscriber special video day because one of my subscriber has requested me to make a bird feeder, and another surprise for you guys. I have a little cute guest with me, and here she is. Yes, I have a bird, and for your kind information, I didn't bought. She was being rescued by my uncle and I took her from him only. So I made this bird feeder for her, and the video that I made will serve my subscribers purpose. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So these are the things that I will need. I have kept a plastic on my desk so that my desk doesn't stain. The water, all the colors, the popsicle stick and the brush. And now I will take 4 popsicle stick and I will color this red. Do wear a pair of gloves because your hand will stain like this. As I love colors, so I thought that I will not wear it. And like this I have colored 8 popsicle sticks red. And like this I have done blue, orange, yellow, red, pink and green. These are all total 8 popsicle sticks of each color. I will take 4 popsicle stick and join it with the help of a glue gun, like so. Then I will join the yellow popsicle stick, the red, then the green, the orange, then the pink, and then again blue, yellow, red, green, pink, and done. So I will stick this popsicle box on a piece of a cardboard with the help of a glue gun, and I will cut out the rest of the cardboard. I have got 4 pieces of cardboard. Each piece measures of 8.5 cm by 5.5 cm. I will cover the sides with this cardboard so that the food doesn't come out. And I am done, as you can see. So now I have got 12 popsicle sticks, 1 pair of one color. Now I will take this kind of a thick paper or a cardboard, whatever you can say, and I will stick all of these on this cardboard with the help of a glue gun. I will stick all of these and then I will meet you. And this is done. I will cut the rest of the cardboard. And I did another one in the same process. So I have got 2 popsicle sticks, and I will join it together in this manner so that it makes a triangular shape. Now take another cardboard and take 16 popsicle sticks together and join it like I have shown you previously. And this is how it will look. Now take a white acrylic color and color it. And in the same way I have done another one also. So as you can see, I have sticked to 1 white popsicle portion on the side, and now I will stick another white popsicle portion with the help of a glue gun. Do secure it nicely. Now I will glue on the top portion like this, and then attach this colorful popsicle portion on the top, and I will attach another one so that it makes a shape of a heart. Glue this a triangular portion to join 2 sides of the heart together like this. And as you can see, the structure has formed. Now I have got 4 pieces from 2 popsicle sticks and I have colored it with this white acrylic color. This will be the stand where the birds will sit and eat their food. And now I have got a crochet thread, and like this I will make a thick string by making 6 parts of it, and I will tie it in both the ends like this. I will tie 2 strings together like this. Now I will glue the strings like this too, so that the string doesn't move from their places. Now I will take the white acrylic color again and I will color this side, and the upper portion and this upper portion too. Now I will take a square piece of paper that is 5 cm by 5 cm and fold it like I am showing you. Now draw a half circle like this. Then cut the rest portion. Cut a single petal from the flower and then stick the 2 ends together like this. And your flowers are done. I have made 12 flowers like this. Now take your sketch pen or a brush pen. I am using my brush pen. And just make these kind of strokes in the middle of the flower. This, and now with the red one, and this will give this kind of stamen effect. Did this effect with all my flowers. Now I will stick the flower with the help of a glue gun. And this was the final look. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. Yes, she is eating biscuit. So, and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too. But do share your comments, and if you want to see any kind of videos from me in the comment section below, I will definitely put up a video on that. If you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.